name is Lorena and today I'm going to talk about a global problem, deforestation. I choose that problem because deforestation is a problem that few people think is important and I think it is. To begin, I answer the following question. What is deforestation? Deforestation has many definitions. However, the one I choose is the following. Deforestation is the destruction of the forest area. Deforestation is generally caused by human action, mainly by cutting or burning trees for economic purposes. However, it isn't only the human being that is responsible for deforestation, because forests may be damaged due to natural accidents such as forest fires or volcanic activity. In the images that I gave as an example, you can see it. What is the area most vulnerable to deforestation? According to my research, most of the deforestation is currently in the tropics. And according to a report by scientists in 2017, the tropics lost an enormous amount of forests in that year. However, when we analyzing this information, another question arises, and this is which are the countries most affected by deforestation? To answer that question, I choose the main 5 affected countries. The first of them is Brazil, with a great loss of the Amazon rainforest in 2018, and then there is the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and then there are Indonesia, Colombia, Bolivia, and Peru, according to the degree of deforestation. Next part wasn't mandatory, but I consider very necessary to mention the consequences of this global problem. The most important consequences of deforestation are the following: biodiversity loss, increased carbon in the atmosphere, soil destruction, etc. The next part is solutions of this problem. Deforestation occurs mainly due to human needs for food and therefore space for agriculture, fuel, and construction materials. This made deforestation necessary in certain respect, which is why my solutions focus mainly on turning deforestation into a sustainable practice. With all my solutions, I think the last one, reforestation, is the most important. And next, the last part, my opinion. Deforestation is a problem that affects everything. Deforestation affects human, animals, ecosystems, habitats, trees, and the environment in general. I think it isn't for nothing that trees receive the name that planet's lungs. Because, in my opinion, the trees have one of the most important functions in the environment for the preservation of life, the health of the rivers, and the production of oxygen. If we analyze for a while the problem that deforestation can bring us, I think we will all try to solve this problem. And this is why, my personal opinion, I consider deforestation to be a worldwide problem that must be solved as soon as possible.